In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the perfect book trim size on KDP, aimed especially at beginners who are embarking on their self-publishing journey. Welcome to this comprehensive tutorial designed to guide you through the process with ease and confidence. First off, when you've reached the paperback setup section in your KDP dashboard, you'll want to navigate over to what we call the print options. This section is crucial because it's where you'll make a decision that affects both the physical appearance and the readability of your book. Remember, the trim size is essentially the dimensions of your printed book. And it's a decision that you should make carefully as it influences both aesthetics and cost. Now, once you've secured yourself in the print options, it's time to select a trim size. KDP offers a variety of standard sizes, but a common choice that authors often go for is 6 by 9 inches. This trim size is popular because it strikes a comfortable balance between a professional look and practicality for a wide range of genres. Whether your book is fiction, nonfiction, or even a textbook, this size generally works well. Of course, your choice of trim size can vary depending on factors like your genre or personal preference. Some authors prefer smaller, more compact sizes for portability, while others might go for larger dimensions to make room for illustrations or to enhance readability of complex layouts. Once you've selected your trim size, it's critically important to match it with your interior file. This means that the document you've prepared, containing your book's content, should have the same dimensions as the trim size you selected in KDP. Mismatched dimensions can lead to formatting issues, where content may not align properly on pages. To prevent this, double-check your layout file and ensure that it corresponds perfectly with your chosen trim size. Many word processors and design software allow you to set custom page sizes, so take advantage of these tools to refine your manuscript. After confirming that your interior matches your trim size, it's time to save your settings and continue with the setup process. Hitting that save button might feel like a small step, but it's one that locks in your decisions, bringing you closer to seeing your book ready for the world. Also, it's wise to review your settings once again before continuing, to ensure everything is as you intend it to be. By taking these steps, you're setting a solid foundation for your book's physical presentation, which ultimately plays a significant role in attracting readers and ensuring their reading experience is pleasant. And there you have it, folks. Selecting the right trim size may seem like a minor detail, but it's vital in crafting a professional product that stands out. Make sure to follow these steps carefully to ensure a seamless publishing experience.